the program is in the 3 villages is called the mangrove carbon offsetting project, and it is being trialed in the 3 villages, the village of Nukusa in Undu Point, Loa in Cakaudrove, and Raviravi here in Macuata. So in this project, the Ministry of Fisheries partnered with the Pacific community to undertake the planting of mangroves in these 3 villages, and SK Innovation was a company based in South Korea who funded this whole project. They had donated $75,000 to fund the project of planting of mangroves in the 3 villages. So the idea of this project is that SK Innovation company, it's an energy powered company. So as part of its social responsibility, they had donated the funds in the thought that when these mangroves are planted in these targeted sites, they would offset the carbon that is emitted by this manufacturing company. And we all know that our forests, our mangroves, they are carbon sinks. So that was the idea of planting of mangroves in the 3 villages. And if you can see, the mangroves that have been planted in the 3 villages, I think in each of the villages there have been more than 10,000 plants planted, and also you can see that they have been planted in clusters. Planted in clusters using 4 methodologies. 4 planting methodologies, in the hope that during the different phases of monitoring, the ministry will be able to know which of this planting methodology is best suited for communities in the coastal area. And after this project, the ministry hopes to assist the villages further. You can see that we have assisted them in the construction of the nursery, and in the nursery they will also propagate seedlings that they could use to sell, or they could use to plant trees on deforestation areas. Under the Ministry of Forestry, there is a program known as the RDF, or the Reforestation of Degraded Forest Program. So in that project, we encourage communities, to propagate seedlings, and if they can plant these seedlings in their deforested forests, or they can sell, and the ministry can buy this off them and also use to plant in areas where there is a high incidence of deforestation.